Hey there, welcome to day 24 of our 100 days of Python challenge. Today we are diving into a fascinating world of Python polymorphism. First one, function polymorphism. Did you know that the length function works on different types of objects in Python? Let's take a look. Whether you pass a string, a tuple, or a dictionary to a len function, it will return the appropriate length for that object. Isn't it neat? Class polymorphism is the second one. But that's not all. Python also allows you to create multiple classes with the same method name. Let's see an example. We defined car, boat, and plane classes, each with a move function method. When we create objects from these classes and call their move function method, they perform different actions based on the object type. Polymorphism is in action. Third one, inheritance polymorphism. But wait, there's more. Python also allows child classes to override methods from their parent classes. Let's take a look. We have created a vehicle parent class with a move function method. The boat and plane child classes inherit this method but override it with their own implementations. When we create boat and plane objects and call their move function methods, they execute the overridden methods specific to their classes. And that's a wrap on Python polymorphism. See you in the next video.